Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another week, and I'm back at Aldi. I get a bit of a cooking break this week because we are going up north for the end of the week because my husband's turning 40. So we're going up north to celebrate him. We also have a family dinner at my in-laws' house for his birthday. That means I have less nights that I have to cook for, but I still have lots of goodies to get from Aldi. So let's go in and get them. Okay, so before I get what I came over here for, I want to tell you, Cal loved these, but the packages are so small, and he said he'd be fine with me actually sending him in a reusable container. So I'm gonna make my own nuts to send as part of his snack, but he did really like these. But I need to get a couple things over here. So I need to get roasted cashews. I'm gonna get these ones. My daughter is making a green goddess dip with them. It's a vegan recipe. She's excited to try it. $6.95. And then I also need hickory smoked almonds. Cal has these in his lunch every day, $5.49. Then I'm also gonna get just sea salt roasted almonds that I'm gonna mix with other nuts for his snack. So he gets some in his lunch, some in his snacks. Nuts are like his favorite source of protein. Okay, you guys told me I need to get this, and you know what? I trust you guys. So I'm gonna get this at $4.95, and someone mentioned that these freeze really well. So even if I'm the only one that eats it, I will freeze slices of it. But Elsie did tell me she might try it with me, so I'm excited to give it a whirl. And I was surprised to see it's buttercream, not cream cheese filling, so maybe Matt will come on board. He likes pumpkin, but he assumes everything pumpkin is cream cheese based, and he hates cream cheese. So we'll see. Maybe I won't be eating this alone. Mila wanted me to get Lay's or the Aldi version. She actually said that to me. Potato chips so she can make sour cream and onion dip with them. $2.39. I'm actually gonna get 2 bags because whenever we have a snack, everyone wants them. I don't know what came over Cal, but he told me he's sick of this, and this for his school lunch. I can't believe it, but we're moving on to peanut butter sandwiches. So of course, to make his peanut butter sandwiches, I need white bread, $1.39. I am gonna try to start making white bread and see how that goes, but it's not gonna be this week. We're having an Italian meal at my in-laws' house, and my mother-in-law asked me to bring bruschetta with baguette, $1.59. So I slice this and make little crostinis with it. For Mila's green goddess dressing, I need cilantro. That is 65 cents. I need garlic for a number of meals this week, $2.29. Matt and Calvin both want me to get bigger oranges, so $3.89. I was gonna make steak bites later this week for the meal that Mila's making with her potatoes and green goddess dressing, but this actually looks pretty good, and I've never tried this. $9.99. It's for a pound of steak bites, so I'm gonna get this instead and give it a whirl. Holy moly, I need 2 dozen eggs because I'm making dog food again this week. That's always a big egg consumption. $2.67. I need a gallon of 2% milk. And Elsie loved this. Cal didn't really like it, but he asked me to look for pumpkin spice. So here I am coming through for him, $2.99. Mila specifically wants Yukon Gold potatoes, and I don't see them here, so I'm gonna look at Meijer for those. Oh, I'm so happy to see they have beets back. Yay. I don't have salads on the list this week, but I'll be back for that. I do need a lot of black beans. I'm just gonna buy a whole tray because my vegetarian eats these, Elsie loves them, and the dog food. So 81 cents, I'm getting 12 of them. I'm a little worried. These are so hard that they won't be good when we wanna use them, so I'm gonna try Meijer for those as well. I'm also making a meal with peppers, pesto, and mashed potatoes, so I'm gonna get these peppers for $2.69. Good news, the organic avocado bags feel like they'd be nice and soft. $3.99, we'll get those. And I also need to I'm gonna get 12 Roma tomatoes to make the bruschetta, and also for subs, 89 cents a pound. So I got enough juice boxes for Kel last week with the sale, but I need more for Elsie. Apple juice, $2.79. The Aldi Finds area is gone and clean. I wonder what they're making room for. I think I missed these last week, but they are so cute, really cute laundry baskets. They have wire shelvings. They have all these adorable rope baskets for kids' rooms. A fox, a unicorn, rainbow, and a dinosaur, $10 a piece. I actually really love this craft organizer. They have ones that have 10 or 20 dividers, $14.99. Adorable different shelves. Really cute Halloween silicone pans. I used to make a pizza for Halloween that you'd shove crescent dough stuffed with pizza toppings in, and it would bake in a shape like this. This would be really cute for that. $4.99. Pie dishes. A dual measuring cup. Oh, I actually like this. I'm gonna get that. So there's milliliters, ounces, and then you can measure cups here, and you can take this part out. Is it dishwasher safe? I don't know, we'll try it for $3.99. Nice. So much servingware, cast iron skillet, a compost bin. Oh, I like this too. Countertop compost bin. And it includes compost bags, so that seems kind of silly. I take my compost out to the back field. I don't actually make compost out of it, but I always say I'm feeding the deer. Oh, that's cool. I like the expandable trivet. Different round trivets. $6.99 for the wooden guys. Mini pumpkin casseroles. This is, I don't know, is that a 2-pack? And they're $2 off. I think that's been here a while, but this is $2 off. I never see red stickers on items. That's kind of interesting. Oh, these are cute. Table with chairs. Adorable. $34.99. 100% if my kids are younger, that would be in my cart. I love that woven accent bench. $39.99. Cute. Really cute items here. Step stool, $19.99. More acrylic organizers, $14.99. Beverage dispensers. This is the kind of stuff that I would love to actually work in my house, but I'm not the kind of person that would keep it stocked actually. They also have these meal prep containers, which I haven't bought them from Aldi, but I have some from Amazon that I like as leftovers, because if you want to use leftovers in portion sizes or share them with people, really great. We are making a copycat of Carrabba's dip, and we use a 1/4 cup of seasoning at a time. So I need $1.09 parsley. I need garlic powder, which is missing. Garlic powder. It's not back there either, so we'll look for that at Meijer. I need oregano. That's $1.09. Guess we'll have to get the rest of what I'm looking for at Aldi or at Meijer. I am making something up. So this is a tomato pesto, $2.19, and I'm gonna coat onion, peppers, and chicken in this and bake it and serve it with mashed potatoes. It was inspired by a frozen meal that I had sent to me that I loved. So I'm gonna try to make something similar at home. The chicken will be separate from the peppers and onions though for my vegetarian. Elsie wants pasta for her meal this week. 98 cents, and she loves the Carrabba seasoning. That's one of the reasons we're making it. So I'm gonna make all of this. Actually, no, I'm not gonna get penne. I'm gonna get $1.89 for elbow macaroni. I'll make all of this. We'll have some on this side for leftovers, and then her school lunch will be this, olive oil, the Carrabba seasoning, and Parmesan cheese. $1.89. I'm gonna buy a tray of pumpkin. Of course, I use this for the dog food, but then I also do love pumpkin baking, and I love that it's back at Aldi. $1.15 a can is a wonderful price. So the nut mix I'm making for Calvin will also have walnuts in it. He loves walnuts as well as almonds and peanuts. So $5.45. I'm gonna make a giant mixture for him to take as his snack. Onion soup mix to mix with sour cream for the chips, and 98 cents. Sour cream to make the chip dip with, $1.79. $3.99 a pound for $5.75. I am going to get these for not only subs this week, but also for my daughter to take. She said she's fine with me packing them instead of getting these bag. So $3.79, and she loves the atomic spicy. Okay, so we have some burgers, some turkey breasts, different raviolis. I don't know what the prices are because it says fries, but oh wait, they have pumpkin and butternut squash as $3.99. There's also the savory strudels still here. We have pretzels, pretzel sticks, the rolls, all the schnitzels. So all of this is still from last week. So everything here is the same as it was last week. Spätzle, different cabbage blends. We're down to the German desserts. They have pretty much everything from last week, except for, I noticed, and I might have something to do with this, all of the cherry ones are gone. I probably would have looked for more, but I only ate one of my 8. The apple ones still remain. Lots of other German desserts that I'm sure are delicious. And they also have, this is one of the only new things I see, sorbet. They have raspberry and mango, and it's $3.99 a piece. Oh, these look fun. They have different pretzels. They're really pretty light boxes, so it's only 9.25 ounces, including a dip, but they have ones with pretzel dip, or they have ones with cheese dip or mustard dip, and they're $4.49. For subs this week, I'm getting provolone, $1.65. $3.79, the Bellevue water, I'm getting a lemon. I almost forgot this. I had to walk all the way back here to get it again. $7.99 for the, I call it pepperoni, but it's spicy Italian dry salami for the subs. Okay, green beans for the bound food, 96 cents a piece. Okay, my kids have been really enjoying the waffles, so I'm gonna get a couple boxes. They're easy for breakfast in the morning, and I have a feeling with the pumpkin spice whipped cream, Cal will really be wanting these. So 2 at $1.99 each. Okay, I'm getting this to put in my husband's birthday box. Well, strawberry citrus. I think he'll like that. Or no, I'll get a blue raspberry and a black raspberry. I'll get one of each of those. 99 cents a piece. I'm getting 2. I'm getting 5 unflavored of my favorite sparkling water, 89 cents a piece. Okay, they are bringing out all the yummy, delicious things. I am such a fan of these, but I will be the only one in my family. I'll eat the whole thing. I don't get them very often, but they're so good. I've only ever had the hazelnut ones, but I love them. They have speculoos and chocolate too. They're $3.49. These are good. I bought them before, but I can resist them. Sugar roasted almonds. This would be perfect to add to my husband's birthday gift. I'm gonna get these. They're $2.89. This looks pretty tempting to me. White asparagus peel. I've never had white asparagus. I've never had the Jaffa cakes before. I've always liked these potato sticks. I'm a big fan of these as well, $3.49. I just don't need a lot more junk at the house. Elsie's been talking about getting hard breadsticks, and I think she'll like these, $1.99. They have sesame or sea salt. Actually, I'm gonna get the sesame ones. They have some fun toys. They have these sensory bins, $12.99. My son would probably like that. It looks maybe a little young for him. They have different jewelry kits, crocheting kits, bracelet making kits. Lots of cool things. Definitely getting seasonally ready. Gifting time, it looks like. Different plushes, $9.99. They have apple cider and pumpkin pecan cookies. They have these frosted oatmeal cookies, $3.95. Lemon sandwich cookies, those are $4.79, or dulce de leche, $4.79. I'm passing on all, but it looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna get these maple cream caramels to put in Elsie's lunch. A little sweetness, $3.69. I'm gonna see if my son would like this, a crunchy peanut butter bar. It's made with oats. It has 11 grams of protein. He mentioned a friend of his having a protein bar in his lunch, and I'm telling you, getting my son to eat much of anything, it has been really difficult lately, so I'm gonna see if he'll try these. He loves nuts. Okay, so here is my cart. I have lots of cans underneath. Any guess on my total? I do have to get some stuff from Meijer though. Holy moly, $166.34. My oranges were rotten, so I have to go get a new one, but I did pay for them. Somehow between Aldi and Meijer, I lost my list, so I hope I can remember everything I need. Otherwise, you know where I'll be later this week. But we're at Meijer now. Last week I regretted not getting a cart. Will I regret it this week? Will I find a sale that's super heavy again? We'll see. Okay, I need more apples. These pink ladies are $4.39 for 3 pounds, and they look delicious, so I'll get these. Parsley for the green gratis dressing, $1.09. Looks delicious. Okay, I'm not able to find Yukon Gold potatoes here either. So I think I'm just gonna end up getting yellow potatoes, and hopefully she'll be agreeable. They are $3.59 for a 3 pound bag. Okay, getting my favorite milk, coconut almond milk. I love this stuff so much. It's $4.29. I need basil. I'm gonna get the bigger guy, $2.99. I feel like someone's playing a weird trick on me because there's literally no garlic powder here in this entire aisle. Garlic powder gone. There's literally not even a spot for it in most places, like the smaller areas. And I feel like it's a joke. So is there something going on with garlic powder? Lots of garlic salts. Don't want the garlic salt. How is there no garlic powder? I'm gonna get this. It's $9.49, which is ridiculous, but I'm grinding my mix anyways, so this is gonna have to be good enough. Okay, these are the chips my daughter wants for lunch. I'm just gonna break it out every day. Okay, I actually put those back because I'm gonna get these flaming hot chips instead. They're 2 for $6. And she just wanted hot chips, which Aldi doesn't have. So I'm gonna get 2 bags of those and hope she likes them. Okay, so I got all my Meijer goods except for garlic powder, but I think we'll survive. Any guess on the total? I keep needing this in my car, so I'm gonna get it at $4.49.
Insert cash or select.
Okay, my total here is $36.33. Okay, so the meal plan for this week, I am going to dice up 3 peppers, an onion, and mix it with this pesto. And then some will be baked just like that, and some will be baked with chicken breast, again, mixed with all of this. I'm gonna serve that with mashed potatoes. This is inspired by a frozen meal that I had that I really, really liked. So I don't really have a recipe other than dicing veggies and chicken and mixing it with this and baking it. Tuesday, we have a busy night. I am working at the high school for their volleyball game. I have to be there for several hours in the evening, so it needs to be an easy dinner. We're doing subs. Everyone loves this meal. I buy day-old Jimmy John's bread, and then we'll have the chip dip on the side, fruit, really easy dinner. Wednesday, my teenager Mila is making smashed potatoes. That's what she wanted the Yukon Gold for. She saw this on Snapchat, and there's a vegan green goddess dressing she wants to make. I'm going to link something similar below, but the video she sent me didn't actually have measurements, and I only have a screenshot of it. So I'll send you something similar. I was going to make steak bites, but the ones from Aldi looked like they were worth trying, so I'm going to have those with it. I have frozen broccoli in the freezer. I'll make that as well. Thursday, we're going to my in-laws' house for dinner for my husband's birthday dinner. My mother-in-law is doing a big Italian spread, and she asked me to bring baguette crostinis with bruschetta. So that's my responsibility to take to the family dinner. And then Friday night and Saturday night, we are staying out of town in northern Michigan, and then we'll get home later on Sunday. Sunday is my husband's actual 40th birthday, so this is what he wanted to do his birthday weekend. And I don't know what we're gonna eat, but I know I didn't buy stuff to make meals. So that is the meal plan for the week. If you wanna see how I make mashed potatoes, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.